Hi, today we are going to discuss about the geometric basics in the day-to-day life. So, in a creative manner, we will see that in the next slides. So, if you see this, so the mathematics in the geometric in a creative way. So, first we will see this. This is the origin or dot, and combination of dots will form as a dotted line. Continuous line will form with infinite number of dots. So this line we call it as vertical line, and this line we call it as horizontal line. So fundamentally it starts with a dot, then it goes to the number of points. So if you join the number of points, then it forms dots in a straight line. So in that specific point, specific segment is known as line segment. Line is a ray, it is continuously moving, and it has horizontal line and vertical line and horizontal line. So now we will see the details of the geometry in our day-to-day life. If you see that the movement of all those things start like a music. So the green circle represent the earth and the sun and moon with a individual person moving on the earth like that. So 0 to 12 represents the clock, and if you see here we have different shapes like circle and half moon, and we have different line path it will follow. So different geometries having like this. A circle, then a triangle, then a square, then a circle with point. So this is one way we can represent. Another way like this. From the point evolving into a circle, then a square, then a triangle, then expansion. So this background represents the night. So during night time, what will we do as a individual human being, having different construct of geometry like circle, triangle, and square. In that, a circle or a dot. So we will move into the dark in the sleep. Then what will happen in the daytime? It's a background of daytime. There again we are coming back to the with all the structures. So similar concept, if the structure is remain same, how the individual is moving into the daytime or night time. If you observe here, it is moving towards the center. This is the center point. So then again in the day-to-day process, entire structure is remain same. The individual person is coming into the geometry. So he has to play that and he has to move like that. So this way we can explain the geometry in our day-to-day life. So namaste all. We will continue some more time. Now we are seeing the music on the background.